Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Shopify revenues on your cart page with Supercart. This is really cool. We'll jump right into it, and I'm going to show you how you can make more money with your cart page, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it the right way. We'll go step by step in this video. And there are lots and lots of different revenue generating opportunities on your Shopify cart page. There's no doubt that it's a super important page in your store. And the question that you need to ask yourself is, are you using the Shopify cart page the right way? Are you taking advantage of all the opportunities that are just sitting there, extra revenue, literally right in front of your face? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. A real popular strategy for Shopify stores is to add customizable upsells like rush processing, warranties, and so much more to your Shopify cart with the Supercart Shopify app. And we're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you how this works. If you want to implement these strategies, you're going to need to use an app. Again, I'm going to show you Supercart. You need to use an app because there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some type of developer or programmer or designer or coder to get this going ASAP. And most importantly, the app must allow for multiple and unlimited upsell options. So you could offer something like extended warranties, shipping insurance, handling fees, an upsell for green packaging, an upsell for gifting, so many different opportunities here. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with the Supercart app. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you why this works so well. And it's literally going to allow you to make more revenue on your Shopify cart page. And we can go over the shoulder right now. You see the site over here, supercartapp.com. You see the link directly below this video. And this is how you're going to boost your Shopify revenue. And it's really easy. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how to set this up. It's totally customizable. Unlimited cart design is going to be able to match any brand. You'll be able to customize everything. But there's just so many great uses over here. Advanced cart upselling. We could do things like purchase protection. We could do things like rush processing, collect donations, green packing, gift packaging, handling fees, extended warranties, extended returns, all these ways to make more money. And this is self-insured program, so you're keeping all of the profits, unlike some of the other shipping protection things. And this is just in one of the features here. We could also do dynamic upselling. This is really cool. Cart bundles, powerful AI recommendations, the you may also like type sections that you see that work so well on Amazon and other big sites. You're going to get this with Supercart, and you'll be able to create cart triggers for different product upsells with really advanced rules, totally customizable, and it's all about conversion focusing. The idea that we're going to boost conversion rate, we're going to do conversion rate optimization when we have this app. So much that can be done here, a lot of features included. I want to focus on free shipping bar, really cool, really powerful, and A/B split testing. We could literally run two different carts at once and find out which one is the winner. So we get full split testing in here as well. Lots of other great features, but we're going to go over the shoulder. You see the link. Here's the app over here, a massive 4.9 out of 5 stars. And we'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you all this, how to set up all the different types of upsells. You'll see all your analytics. You can choose your design, so it customizes directly into your Shopify theme, and then you can customize everything in that really easy design editor that you love with Shopify. So really great way to boost that average order value for conversion rate optimization and for that split testing, which is really cool. All these features built in. All you need to do, press the install button. We're going to go ahead and press install. Again, you see the link directly below this video. I'll walk you through this step by step. So we come over here and press install. This is now going to bring us back into our store where we'll press install here. This basically makes the connection between the Supercart app and our Shopify store. So really cool, really easy to get started. And you're going to see over here, congratulations for starting your journey with Supercart. We're going to basically just continue, and I'll show you exactly how to get everything started. We'll go ahead and select our 14-day free trial. Come over here and click activate. Then we'll just simply click approve. Once we do that, our 14-day free trial is going to get kicked off, and we're going to get all of the full features that Supercart has. And now basically we're on our dashboard over here. Now you can go through this getting started guide, but I'm going to show you everything that you need in order to get this set up. So we'll come over here, and they've got great documentation, great support. But we're going to come over here to customize your cart. And what we need to do is basically create a supercart. And it's really, really easy to do. We're going to come over here under cart designs, and we'll be able to actually create our cart. And the idea here is that you'll see your live carts over here. What we're going to do is take a design from the library, let's say, for example, the More theme, and we're going to publish it. And there's going to be two ways to do that. One, we're going to click Publish over here, and the other way, we're going to actually go and choose and activate our theme. So we'll first click Publish over here. This version was, or the version was now published over here. Now what we want to do is go into our theme under Online Store. I'll open this in a new tab. We're going to go into our theme and go into our App Embed section, and we're simply going to turn it on. Okay, really, really easy when we do that. So we've got our default template over here selected and published. We're now going to go into our online store. We're going to go to our theme editor, and there's this section App Embeds. We have Supercart. We're going to turn it on. Okay, we're going to then come over here and click Save. Next, we're going to click Edit Cart Template, and you see that right over here. This is going to be where we could actually design and change what our cart looks like. And here's an example of an empty cart, right? They're going to have that message to go and continue shopping. Here's what it's going to look like when they actually have stuff in the cart. And you see different things. Let's say you don't want to have the free shipping bar. Turn that off, right? Free shipping bar over here is a really cool way you could set this up to configure how much money they need to spend to get free shipping, and then it automatically calculates. It's like a motivator here. It's going to say, hey, you're only $41 away from free shipping. So gives that extra kind of boost in conversion rate here and a boost in average order value, get them to spend more so they could achieve that free shipping, which they love so much. We've got different line items over here, and we could literally change the width and everything of this thing. We could change the price and the colors you see in the recommended section. You could change the box style. You could change literally every single setup over here. And if you don't like that, you could just simply turn them off as well. So you see the line items being shown automatically. Basically, just each item will show up over here that's in their cart. You see, of course, they could increase, they could remove it from cart. They see just like they would in the normal cart, except there's so much more here with Supercart. Then you've got the promos section over here. Right? See, turn it on, turn it off. Right over here in the recommended products, you can customize everything. Say our top sellers, and we could say something like, you'll love these. And you could change padding, top and bottom. You could change and show products in a slider. You could show them boxed or not. We literally have full control over everything. We could turn off the border or turn it on. All you need to do is just press save, and all of your changes will be live. You see our updated text over here. Next, we'll see the actual services over here, and we can configure these. We're going to set these up in terms of different services that we're going to offer to make more money. And you see they can literally just come over and click the slider. They'll be able to turn on each one inside of their cart. This is part of Supercart's reasoning of getting more revenue for you, right? They're going to have these additional services one click inside the cart. And what I really like to do, I'll slide these up and put these way up top because I like them to have a lot of focus. So you see you could just rearrange them, basically just drag it however you want. If you want it under the line items, on top of the line items, whatever you want. There's also the review section. You'll be able to import reviews and have all that great stuff right over here, adding reviews, customizing reviews, and make sure you use the best reviews possible over here because right on the cart page, of course, is going to have a really big impact. So you could change everything that you need over here. Once you're ready to go, you click Save or Republish over here. This is going to now save this design with the template that we chose. So we choose an overall template, we customize what's going to be inside, and then we start to customize the services. With that turned on, we now have our Supercart installed. We're going to come back over here into the dashboard. So we have our cart set up. Now we want to add and configure the extra services, right? What are we going to add and what are we going to use to actually upsell and get us more revenue when people use Supercart? We'll come over here under the services section, and we'll be able to literally click on and off in terms of which services we want to set up. And there's a little kind of calculator here in terms of talking about how you could literally create a huge additional revenue stream for your business. So we'll come over here. We could turn on things like priority processing, right? We can go over here, use service. And when we come over here and we publish this service, we're obviously going to be able to turn it on, but also give it a title. We can give it a subtitle, and we can give a description in terms of what's going on here. And then most importantly, what's going to be the fee, right? So we can come over here and maybe we do $4.95. And we have other options over here in terms of being auto-selected, right? That could be something where it's pre-checked or not. You could have different variants as well. You could have a different icon over here if you wanted to upload your own custom one, you could do that as well. And we're going to click Update Service. So in Services now, we have priority processing on. And basically what we want to do is come over and pick which ones do we want to offer here. We could have handling fee, we could have shipping insurance over here for our order insurance, which is really cool. And this is a self-insured program, so you're keeping all of the profit. And basically with purchase protection, this is basically the idea of creating a fund to self-insure your orders. They pay a little bit more for order insurance. It goes into a fund, basically your pocket, and then you use that to deal with type of issues. Maybe if there is, something incomplete or some damaged item or the customer is not happy, right? You can go over here into this fund. So it's a nice way that small businesses, medium-sized businesses can add additional revenue stream and increase conversion rate because of this purchase protection. So we'll come over here, turn this on. We got order insurance over here. Again, you can customize all this stuff over here. You can come over here, set a fixed fee or a percentage fee over here in terms of setting your shipping or your order insurance up. Really easy to do. And then again, toggling if it's on or off, setting up different icons for your shipping insurance and your order insurance right over here. So click Update Service over here, and we'll come back to our services list. Now we have 2 on, and you get the idea. We come over here, how about we do another one? And I'll turn this on real quick. Green packing, and we'll go $7.25, and we'll have our icon there, and that looks pretty good. So I'm going to show you how this looks, but we'll be able to do things like tracking all of the orders that came in through Supercart. We'll be able to look at all of our analytics in terms of order percentage rates for conversion, total order upsells, total revenue, of course, all that great stuff. We could do it by date range or some of these pre-selected dates. Great support as well. All the settings you're going to find right inside here. Of course, we want to have auto fulfillment on, especially for doing things like print on demand. So with this setup, let me go ahead and actually show you this in action. So we got the store over here. I'll just go to any product, and we'll come over here and I will click Add to Cart. Say I'll pick large, and we'll go Add to Cart. Okay, so everything that we have set up here, we have our shipping set up. We are our free shipping motivation set up, and you can customize this in terms of what number. We have our line items, and then what you saw me move up, right? The additional upsells, the services. And we could take a $25 original purchase, right? If they turn on a couple of these services, right, we're going to see a much higher. We got $37 already, right? So going from 25 to 37, adding a couple services. Maybe they just add one, right? Going from 25 to 32, right? Huge difference here in terms of revenue generation, and it's all because of Supercart. You see, these are the upsell services, but here are the upsell products, right? So we have the ability to showcase literally all of our top sellers, right? We customize this section, and they'll be able to choose even the variants right over here and add to cart one click. So now we went from $25, now we're all the way up to $62, right? And again, we have the review section over there. And just like any other checkout and any other cart, we go to proceed to checkout, and it's literally just going to go to take us to a checkout. You see all the line items as normal, right? Everything's going to be fulfilled. In this case, print on demand is going to work automatically because all the fulfillment happens as a normal checkout. You see, this is just your normal Shopify checkout. Everything fully integrated when you're using Supercart. So that was Supercart, as you saw, incredibly powerful, but also really easy to set up. I highly recommend it. You see all these different services, order protection, rush processing, green packaging, gift packaging, handling fees, upselling, bundling. The app has it all. It is the best way to make more money with your cart. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. Get this in your store. If you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.